Welcome to the dynamic world of construction, where innovation meets power. Today we're embarking on an exhilarating journey to uncover the unsung heroes of the construction site, the top 5 construction machines that propel progress and shape our urban landscapes. Greetings, construction enthusiasts. I'm thrilled to guide you through this exploration of the pinnacle of engineering ingenuity. Our first contender is none other than the Excavator, a powerhouse of precision and strength. With its mighty bucket and unparalleled agility, it's the quintessential tool for sculpting the very foundations of our cities. Next up we have the Bulldozer, a titan of earth-moving prowess. With its imposing blade, it bulldozes obstacles aside, clearing the path for progress with unwavering determination. Moving on to our next contender, the crane, a towering symbol of elevation and grace. With its towering structure and unparalleled lifting capacity, it's the veritable maestro of the construction site, orchestrating the seamless placement of heavy components with finesse. But wait, there's more. The loader, the unsung hero of material handling. With its powerful hydraulic arms and sturdy bucket, it tackles a myriad of tasks with unmatched efficiency, ensuring the smooth flow of resources on the construction site. And last, but certainly not least, we have the dump truck, the backbone of logistics and construction endeavors. With its hydraulic precision and robust design, it shoulders the weight of progress, ferrying materials to their destinations with unparalleled reliability. As we wrap up our exploration, it's clear that these top 5 construction machines are more than just tools. They're the heartbeat of every construction site, driving progress and shaping the world around us. Which one is your favorite? Share your thoughts in the comments below.